So I'm going to try to do a little graph in StatCrunch. If you go into my stat lab, when you get to the course, you'll see list on the side StatCrunch. I click that. It tells you this. What I want to do is visit StatCrunch website. And it'll get to here. And what we can do is open StatCrunch. It'll look like a spreadsheet, kind of like Microsoft Excel. And so I'm just going to do a little example here. I'm going to have a variable called age. And I'm just going to plug in some values. La 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 la. Okay, so I've got a variable, I've got some values, and what I'm going to do to make a graph, I'll click this button up here, graph, and I'm going to do a histogram, and up here it'll say select column, so this is the column I'm going to make a histogram of, and it's going to be a frequency. So I could also do relative frequency. So I'll do frequency, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select what bins. Tells me what categories I'm going to use. So let's say I'm going to start at 10 and go by tens. So basically 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, etc. And then some little things I can do here. I can put the value above the bar. And then I can label the x-axis. I can label the y-axis. And I can give it a title. And then I push compute. And there's my fancy graph. Now if you put the cursor in a bar, it says frequency of 3, and the age is from 10 to 20. So remembering what we know about set and interval notation, this means it includes 10 but not 20. So here, frequency of 5, it includes 20 but not 30, so anything from 20 to 29. Here's from 30 to 39, here's 40 to 49. And that's kind of a simple graph. If I click options and edit, I can change this to a relative frequency, compute, and the bars all stay the same relative to one another. They're the same sizes. All that changes is we have the relative frequency here, so 21% roughly of the data are in the 10 to 20, 36% here, 29 and 14. This will add up to 0.21, 0.36, 0.29, 0.14. That'll add up to 1. It's a little harder to, so down here on the bottom, you'll just have to recognize that you're going between 10 and 20, between 20 and 30, 30 and 40, 40 and 50 for your age groups. But that's a quick and easy little graph in StatCrunch.